We are Line, a factory that produces cable infrastructure products for outdoor deployment. You are watching the video tutorial of fiber access terminal installation by Worm Type, customized length bandings tie. The tie provides ideal customization. You make your own length clamp. Measure the overall diameter of pole, cut the tie of required length. Fix the buckle on the hose as shown. Attach the tie to the fiber distribution box and pole. Tighten the tie using the screwdriver. Our mass production facility allows reaching the required delivery time. Welcome to contact us to have more details about pole bandings and related products.